Oreos, drink, milkshake. They have ice cream. I could. Do you have rum and raisin ice cream in it? Not rum and raisin, grape nut. Do you have grape nut ice cream? Look at this, guys. Look at this. You don't have grape nut, do you? They've got mint chocolate. They've got loads of ice cream here. Mango, something. If you want it in the cup, you can have it. If you want it in that, you can have it. But I'm not feeling any of this ice cream. I would do well with what they call it, grape nut. Yes. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Yes, yes, yes. I just stopped because it's my son's birthday and he loved waffle. So I decided to come and get waffle. And guess what? The waffle is for £14. 1 4. You tell me how much is a waffle in your neck of the woods? 40. Wanga lady is still here. Wanga lady, I'm heading home and I decided to stop and get my son a waffle because it's his birthday. And guess what? The waffle is for £14. You tell me. The waffle, and then I bought what do you call it? A shake, a Oreo shake, and both cost £20. You tell me in your country, how much would a waffle and that cost? Is it expensive here? Could I get it cheaper? You tell me. That's the shop. Genius. You see that? That is the shop where I am at now. Look at the shop. That's the shop. It's nice. Very nice shop. Look at the shop. And this is the one that I'm buying for the boy for his birthday. That's it. That is it. But guys, listen. Thank you so much. Well, let me tell the man I'm still here in case him think me gone. Whew. I'm still here. I'm here. Is it ready? This is it, guys. Please, yeah. Oh, everything is ready now. Okay. Guys, that is it. That is the waffle. I'll show you. That is the waffle in the box. Look at what I'm getting. Oh, I didn't realize I'm getting all of this. See, guys. Look. That is what I'm getting here. No wonder it costs that amount of money. But guys, yes, yes, yes. This is the hot kitchen, and I stopped here just to get something for my son. Just to get something for my son. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, guys. 11 million is still in the house. 11 million in the house. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining the hot kitchen where everything. See, I've got the bag. Let me show you. I've got the bag. Got the bag. I've got the bag. Yes, man, I've got the bag. So I'm going to take this home now. And I'm going to surprise him. Because I didn't buy a present today. I didn't, to be honest, I was so busy. It's not really today. I should probably have a present already. But I didn't get to buy a present. But guys, this is London. This is London at night. Yeah, man. This is London at night. Thank you so much for sticking and staying in the hot kitchen, guys. Thank you so much for sticking and staying in the hot kitchen. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Back in the car now. Oops. I'm back in the car. Let me see if I can work this thing out now to put it back.